What are the factors common to both 81 and 82? So let's start with 1. Is there a whole number that you can multiply by 1 to get you to 81? Well, any number multiplied by 1 gets you the number itself. So 1 can be multiplied by 81 to get you 81. Similarly, 1 can be multiplied by 82 to get 82. So 1 is a common factor of both 81 and 82. Now, what about 3? Can 3 be multiplied by some number to get you 81? Well, three can be multiplied by 27 to get you 81. Now, what about 82? Well, we know the divisibility rule of 3, so 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, which is not divisible by 3. So 82 is not divisible by 3 either, so there is no number that you can multiply by 82 by 3 to get you 82. So 3 is not a common factor of both 81 and 82. Well, what about 9? Is there any number you can multiply by 9 to get you to 81? Well, yeah, you can multiply 9 by 9 to get you to 81. What about 82? Well, again, 8 plus 2 gives you 10, and 10 is not divisible by 9, which is the divisibility rule of 9. A number, the sum of digits must be divisible by 9 for the number to be divisible by 9. So 9 too is not a common factor of both 81 and 82. What about 41? Can 41 be multiplied by any number to get you to 81? Well, 81 can multiply 1 by 41 to get you 41, and you have a remainder of 40. So no, there is no whole number that you can multiply by 41 to get you 81. So 41 too is not a common factor of 81 and 82.